So start by grabbing two electrodes, one that you know is good and one that is suspicious. You'll test them against each other. So you'll remove the cap on both of the electrodes and you will then combine them into one of their storage solutions, ensuring that the frits, or the bottom part of the electrodes, are submerged in both cases. All right, two methods on the Gamry, and then we'll move on. So for the first one, the impedance check, we're essentially just confirming that the frit's not clogged or dried out. So you'd start with this and just make sure the electrode is functional. So you'll wire it up like this. So you'll take the two submerged electrodes, make sure that they're both below the solution line. That's what we're doing here. You'll connect the one under test to the working electrode, the green lead, and that actually has the working sense and the working electrode shorted together. And then on the other side, to the other electrode, you have both the counter electrode red and the reference electrode white connected. And then in the software, you're going to go down to utilities and then all the way down to measure reference electrode impedance. And then you'll click OK here. This will just confirm your setup. So make sure you have it connected in the way that I showed in the video. Click OK, that'll run the experiment. And so it's going to measure open circuit potential here as a delay on the front end before measuring the impedance. So that takes about 10 seconds. And then it'll tell you that it's determining it, and it'll tell you whether it's acceptable. And so in this case, it passes. So that means that it's not blocked. So now you'll go on to testing the open circuit potential against another reference electrode. This is to make sure that the reference electrode is accurate. So again, go down to utilities in the software. Now go down to open circuit potential. And then direct the output file to the right directory with the right name. It's not important that you save these data typically. 30 seconds is adequate. Click run, and you'll see up at the top right here of the graph, this will tell you the measured voltage difference between the two reference electrodes. They should be 0 if they're perfect, but acceptable or passing is within 10 millivolts. So those two tests on the Gamry confirm a functional reference electrode. So now using one of the CHI potentiostats, we can also measure open circuit potential, but we can't do impedance. So any of the CH instruments potentiostats would be connected in this way. So short the counter and the reference, and then the working on the other. And then in the software, you'll scroll down to the bottom, choose open circuit potential time, similar settings as the Gamry, 30 seconds, and then press the play button at the very top there. That'll initiate the experiment, and very similar to the Gamry, passing is plus or minus 10.